Hey guys, teacher Mario here. Before today's lesson, please check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv where I share grammar notes, exercises, and more for you to do on your own pace. The links will be in the description. Now we're going to start with the second topic from Unit 8, Verbs in the Subjunctive. First, let's define what the subjunctive is and what is it for. The subjunctive is a verb form that it is generally used in formal language to express a wish or a necessity. The biggest characteristic with the subjunctive is that the verbs do not change when talking in third person. For example, number 1. I demand that everyone have an opportunity to speak. Number 2. Maria insisted that she be notified of any problems. As you might have noticed, in these two sentences we don't say everyone has, we say everyone have. Again, we don't say she's notified, we say she be notified. Now, certain expressions and verbs such as demand, insist, propose, recommend, request, and suggest are followed by the subjunctive. For example, number 1. I think customers need to insist that advertisements be truthful in every respect. Number 2. Some ads seem to demand that the customer buy the product. Number 3. Consumer groups demand that children's advertising follow certain rules. Now, expressions like it is crucial, it is imperative, it is important, it is essential, it is viral, it is critical are frequently followed by the subjunctive as well. For example, number 1. I believe it is essential that an ad be clever and witty in order to be effective. Number 2, it is imperative that politicians stick to their promises. Number 3, it is important that an ad make a product useful. Now, the following verbs, advise, beg, require, stipulate, ask, prefer, specify, and vote, can be followed by a that clause with a subjunctive verb. For example, number 1. He advised that his students be on time. Number 2. Our store policy clearly stipulates that all sales associates report to work by 8:30 a.m. Number 3. The store requires that each customer open his or her bag for inspection. Now, keep in mind that the negative subjunctive is formed with a not and the base form of the verb. For example, number 1. The advertising executive's contract required that he not received a bonus that year. Number 2. The parents insisted that the children not watch television at all. Number 3. I would prefer that companies not send me spam emails of any kind. Now, to conclude, the passive form of the subjunctive is formed by using be plus past participle. For example, number 1. The sponsors ask that their product be featured prominently in the movie. Number 2. The manufacturers prefer that their shaving cream not to be endorsed by the misbehaving stars. Number 3. The company demanded that the commercial be pulled from TV after the public outcry. Please make sure you practice, and if you have any doubt, let me know down on the comment section. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future lessons. See you on the next topic.